Hi there, students. To be up for something. Up for. This is a preposition or a prepositional tool that we use with various different meanings. So I think the first meaning, willing to participate in something, interested in doing it. Are you up for a drink after work this evening? Do you want to go for a drink after work? Are you willing to? Would you like to? Are you ready, willing and able to do it? I'm going clubbing this weekend. Are you up for it? Do you want to come with me? Do you have energy and desire to do something? Are you up for a pizza? 'Cause I'm going to order one. Are you up for going to the cinema? Yeah, are you up for going out dancing? It'll be real fun. Okay, so to be up for something. Are you up for it? Inseparable. Okay, we also use to be up for to say that someone or something will be involved in a particular process, particularly one that leads to a decision. So, he is up for promotion this year. Yeah, he may well be involved or considered for promotion. His proposal is up for consideration. The position as president will be up for re-election in 3.5 years' time. Yeah. We also use this to talk about courts being taken to court. So he's up for murder. He's up for stealing a car. Yeah. He's up. He's before the judge. He's up for being drunk and disorderly. Again, to be up for. We can also use this to be up for, meaning that something is available. It's available to be bought. So the house is up for auction this year. My car is up for sale. It's available to be bought. Okay, so it's available to be purchased or obtained. Okay, to be on the agenda for a potential change in official status. If I keep going like this, I'll be up for promotion next year. The prisoner was up for parole. Yeah. Okay, he was being considered for parole and there would be a change in his status. So, to be up for, to be ready and willing to do something. Are you up for going for a drink? Do you want to do it? To be evaluated, inspected, judged, considered. Yeah, he's up for re-election next year. Something is still up for debate. It's still available for debate. To be up for something, to be taken to the court. If you come up again before me, if you're up again before me, young man, I will send you to jail. Okay, or to be up for auction, to be up for sale, to be up for grabs, if you like. Yeah, it's something that you can get, that you can obtain. He was up for armed robbery. Okay, so up for, to be up for, to want to do something, to be available, to be ready to be considered for a change in status. Yeah, he's up for becoming a member of the board. Yeah, they're going to vote about it. So there you go, up for. This is a really useful phrase. It's probably a little bit informal. I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. You might This is good for an informal conversation. More formally, what would I say? Are you eager to? Are you willing to? Do you want to do? Do you feel like doing? To be to appear in court, to be available for sale, to be eligible for, to be considered for. Okay. So, when I finish this video, I hope you're up for watching another video. If you enjoyed this one, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To be up for something. Up for it. Are you up for it?